Hello and welcome to your Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to operate both the front and rear climate control system so everyone can stay comfortable during your trip. Let's start with the climate control panel located in the center of the dashboard. This center control is right above the cup holders. This button right here controls your fan power and your power on and off. Pressing it up will turn it on up to 7, maximum of 7, minimum of 1. This button on the left increases your temperature as high as this 80. Let's go all the way up. For those cold places where you want some warmth, 84, 85 is the highest that it goes. You always keep that around 65, between 65 and 68, which is really, really cold. And that controls your front air conditioning system. This button here, rear, as long as it's flashing, you're able to control the rear control system. It'll go up to 7, and again now to 1. If you want to turn it off, as long as it's flashing, continue pressing down. It will turn off your rear air AC system. Right now we only have the front air system working. If you press the rear button and it starts flashing, now you can turn your air conditioning in the rear on. Make sure that your recycling button is on. That way your air from the inside maintains fresh. Otherwise, if you're putting in hot air from the outside, it reduces your gas mileage, and it's just not as effective as if you're using the same air from the inside. Make sure your AC button is on. Other than that, that's pretty much it. That's how you control your front and rear air conditioning system.